Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Evie Rose. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this very pink Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. Cute little Valentine's Day look, which I am so excited about. So let's get started with our eyes. I'm going to do some concealer. I'm going to place some of the e.l.f. 16. I'm gonna apply e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Sand. It is a little bit dark for me right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, but we're gonna be getting some new makeup soon, and yeah, it'll be fun. Just a little dab like that. And I'm gonna use my sponge to just kind of blend it out. Okay, so now that I've applied my concealer, I'm not gonna set it in with a different type of eyeshadow. I'm just gonna go in with the color that I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna use a very little, cute little tiny brush. So we're gonna go ahead and use the James Charles palette. We're gonna use this color right here. It's like an orange, it is an orange color. So since I do have this very tiny eyelid space, I'm not gonna apply it right here because then we're gonna have like all this random space here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look crazy and extend my eyes and just tap it right here. Kind of right above my actual crease. And I'm just gonna tap it in all the way up. And it's okay if you don't get a lot of color here because I don't want it to be so overly it's too early. I don't want it to be too dark on this area, so that's okay. Just like that. So I'm gonna wipe off the excess, and with the same brush, I'm just gonna start kind of buffing that out. I'm blending it in towards the top. Oh shit. Guys, I'm watching Orange is the New Black. Wait, is that what it's called? Yeah, I believe. And I wasn't interested in watching it before, but someone recommended it to me, and it's actually a really good show. It's kind of cheesy in a way, but it's okay. It's pretty funny. So right here, I'm gonna work my way up to make a little, like a little piquito right here. So now that it looks terribly like that, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the second eye. So now that it looks like that, very unblended, I'm gonna grab a fluffier brush. I don't know. I don't have like professional makeup brushes, so I'm sorry if I don't have names to these. So it doesn't have any color, and I'm just gonna kind of fluff that out and make sure I blend it up to my crease right here. And as you see, I'm not going back and forth. I'm just kind of moving the eyeshadow away, if that makes sense. Alright, so now you see the difference between this one and this one. I really hope you can, because I can on my mirror. So this is a little bit more blended. It doesn't matter so much the bottom. I just wanted to get that color a little bit up here, because we're gonna cover it anyways when we do the cut crease. So with the same James Charles palette, I am gonna use this color right here. It's like a purple pinkish fuchsia color kind of. And I use this brush right here. It's a Morphe M506. And we're gonna go ahead and dip into that color. Kind of looks like this. I don't know if you can see. And I'm just gonna keep applying it and building that color up. I'm adding that very lightly, like I'm barely brushing that over. Just like that. So now that we've applied that color on our lids and we look completely crazy, I'm gonna take this little brush right here. It's fluffy. I don't know if you can see. Okay. And I'm just gonna start moving it back and forth, little circular motions back and forth, and just try to blend it as good as you can. And then try not to work your way too high up. You kind of want to just blend it where you placed that color. And I'm trying not to press so much pressure there, because we don't want it to be moving around with the concealer underneath. I don't know if I'm talking too loud. And I know I already have a full face of makeup, so if you're scared of fallout, just go ahead and add some translucent powder, very heavy, underneath your eyes. So in case any fallout does happen, you could just wipe it off and good. But I'm trying to be as careful as I can. Ugh. These bangs are so annoying. That's fine. We're gonna go ahead and just leave it like that. We're gonna fix it after. So now I'm gonna grab a fluffier brush and I'm just gonna go with the same, with no color, and I'm just gonna go and blend it just a little bit more. Okay, so now that we look completely insane, I promise you the look is gonna pull together once we are done. I'm gonna get a concealer brush and we're gonna go ahead and cut our crease. Gonna put some concealer in the back of my hand. And I'm just gonna dip that in. And I'm just gonna add it all over my lid. Okay, that was pretty not bad.
this out. I'm going to make a little... Why am I having so much trouble trying to talk today? I'm going to make it pointy. I want to do it like this. Let's see.
Okay. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, so now for my crease, I'm gonna use the Saharan by Juvia's, and we're gonna use this color right here, the Fula, I guess. Okay, so it ended up drying so quick. So with concealer, especially a matte one, you have to work very, very quick before it dries out. Get a very flat brush and we're gonna start applying that. Ooh, that's pretty. So I'm actually gonna use my finger. I think it's gonna go on a lot smoother and quicker. Yep, you see? Okay, so now we're gonna work our way up into our cut crease. And I'm gonna tap and drag down. Tap and drag down. We're gonna do that all around. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a very pointy brush and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the color Iman, and add that to my inner crease. Right here, we're gonna add it right here. And it's gonna look really pretty because we already have that pink color underneath it, so it's just gonna look really nice. And that pink is kind of going to shine through, I think. There we go, pop of color right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera because I don't want to finish the look without doing my eyebrows first, and then I'll be right back. We're gonna go ahead and move on to our bottom lash line. I'm gonna use the same color and the same brush. And at first, I'm just gonna tap in that color before we start blending it in. We're gonna do a little ASMR moment. We're gonna grab this little brush right here, the M506. And we're gonna start blending in our eyeshadow. All right, so we just did a little left and right motion. And you can already tell the difference, how nicely blended that is. So we're gonna go ahead and move on with our eyelashes. I'm gonna get that Lily Lashes mascara and I'm just gonna apply that to my both top and bottom lashes. So we're not gonna make it perfect because we're gonna add lashes on top of it either way. And I'm actually excited for these lashes because they are so good, they're so cute, and they're just amazing. So I have the Birdie lashes right here. They are the Gemini ones. These are absolutely beautiful. And I also got the Birdie liner, which I'm so obsessed with because I thought it wasn't good. I don't know. I just didn't know what to think about it. An eyeliner and eyelash glue together. When I tried it, it is great. I'm gonna go ahead and make a small line. So you gotta apply it really quickly because I feel like it dries up so fast. Like, look at that. I haven't fixed them in and they already got stuck. Like, so simple. Do you guys see how quick that was? I am obsessed with this bead set. It's an eyelash and a freaking eyeliner. Yeah, this is amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eyeliner and eyelash off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did go ahead and add the lashes. They're super cute. So I have these 3 lipsticks. I have a red shimmery one, which is called Diamonds from Life Glam. All of them are from Life Glam. And then I also have like a purple pinkish Ladies Night color. And this one's a brighter one. It is Sunday Fun Day. I'm gonna do the Ladies Night. It's more of like a brownish, purplish color. I don't know, like that. And I already did lip line. I already lined my lips, so let's do this. Okay, so that is that. And I think I'm gonna add the pink one over this once it dries up a little bit, just to make it a little bit lighter, because I think it's a little bit too dark for the eye makeup. And I'm just gonna tap that in with my finger. I would mess up. Guys, I don't know what's going on with the lighting. I feel like it's too dark, or maybe I'm just blind. But to finish the look, I'm gonna get this very, very fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and dip into this palette. I'm gonna dip into the 35V by Morphe, and I'm gonna dip into this color right here, the champagne, and add it to my nosy. Okay, so this pretty much completes the look now. I am gonna go ahead and change, that way it kind of shows off the makeup a little bit better and goes with the Valentine's vibe. I'll be right back. All right, so this is the final look. I did go ahead and relocate because the lighting in my kitchen was getting terrible, so I had to relocate to the living room. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I had so much fun doing it. It was very messy, especially because it's a lot of pink. But once I added the dress, it just all comes together and it's a perfect Valentine's Day look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very pink Valentine's Day look. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye, loves.